Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood back again for Jigglar and a quick how-to video. And this time we're featuring a brand new template called the street sign template. Now, if you've been jiggling for a while, you might be familiar with our old friend the street sign flyer, or aka important notice. It's got a few names, I think. But this one is hot off the press, and there's a few things you can do with it. It adds, as you can see in comparing them, it adds a little bit of a visual difference. So let's just jump in and let me show you how you can customize it. So for the sake of the exercise, I'm going to pick a street in Bendigo, Victoria, Australia, and I'm going to pick this street here called Rowan Street. So I've just done a quick search, and what I want to do is I want to offset Rowan Street at the right, because this is going to be a background image, and I know my street sign image where I say Rowan Street, which I'll show you in a sec, is going to come out here, and I really want that to point to Rowan Street there like that. So I'm in a Mac. I'm going to press Command Shift and then number 4. That brings the crosshairs up where I can make a screenshot of what I'm looking for, something that's going to fit nicely in that space, give or take, something like that. So I've just taken the shot. Now I want to jump back into my dashboard and I want to upload that brand new image, which is right there. So just doing that now. Okay, good news, upload complete. So I want to paste that in behind there. So I'm going to click on my image, which is there like that. I'm clicking on my image and you can see it's got the blue things around it. So I click and I simply click delete. And that leaves the background clipping image that I'm going to paste into to copy. That leaves that highlighted, which is exactly what I want. So I'm going to jump into my images. I'm going to grab the image that I just uploaded for Rowan Street, click that, click insert media, and there it is. And you can see that I've got Rowan Street there like that. So my sign is virtually pointing to Rowan Street. Now I need to make a few little changes. R-O-W-A-N Street. Let's make that a little bit bigger so it fills up the sign, because people who live in Rowan Street will be drawn to the fact that we are talking about their street in our flyer. So what else do I need to do? I need to make a few changes here. So I need to make that, get rid of those marks. Rowan Street, don't need caps, W-A-N Street, and where else? Down here, Rowan Street. So I simply highlight that. Rowan Street has been scheduled, etc. I need to change my dates. I need to put my information in there. I need to change that info there. But I really like this, and then you can just put some shots in here of similar properties in your market. And I'm going to go find a home that I'm promoting, or find something similar in my area. Could be an inside shot. Let's just grab something for the sake of the exercise. Insert media, and there you have it. So you can customize it for yours. But that is a pretty cool looking flyer. I like the colors. If I want to scale this back a little bit, I can do that with my transparency tool up there like that, so I can see a little bit more of the map behind it. But I kind of like the way that it was. So I press Control Z, or I can press this undo tool there like that. And it's basically that straightforward. That's all I need to do. I can post that to Facebook if I want. If I'm going to have some fun with it, getting out into the area, do something generic like that. But it works much better as a dedicated flyer drop. So wherever you are and however you're going, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're getting lots of value out of Jigglar. Cheers and take care. Bye.